Hi and welcome back. Today I just want to do a quick video on AMC as well as give my price targets at the end of this video. But before I continue, I just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. I also started a Patreon page where like-minded people can talk about stocks, cryptocurrency options, and just share ideas on ways to grow our portfolios together. I will also be sharing my trades with you guys as well. If that's something that you guys are interested in, you can check out my link down below, and it's only 33 cents a day. So AMC closed at 8.05, but pre-market it is up 8.53, and we see the spike here all the way to 8.75 this morning. And that was because Wedbush adjusts price target on AMC Entertainment Holdings to $5 from $2.50 and maintains neutral rating. That's good news. At least it's raised to $5. Any type of raises will help AMC. Look here, New York City cinemas reopened today after a year. They opened on March 5th. Joe Masher, the president of NATO New York, he stated theaters are doing very well in the city. Generally speaking, in Hollywood, released on Monday, it's a start. We have to start somewhere. At the AMC Lincoln Square at 68th and Broadway, Manhattanese Roy and Benjamin awaited a screening of The Marksman. It's their first theatrical foray since COVID, and they missed it. We are a 3-time-a-week movie people, and it's been a year. People love going to movie theaters. They don't want to be stuck at home watching Netflix all day. They want to be able to watch a movie on a big screen TV. I have no doubt that AMC will do well once all movie theaters are open. Right now, movie theaters are closed in LA. So I do believe that once LA opens up, the stock price will surge much higher. And last year, AMC was able to raise enough money to avoid bankruptcy. They raised nearly $1 billion since December 14. A lot of people thought AMC were going to go bankrupt last year, and so that's why there was a high short interest. People were shorting this stock as much as possible. But guess what? It's no longer going to declare bankruptcy. The movies are going to do well this year. So AMC does have earnings coming up on March 10th. It's this Wednesday. And you can access the live website by using this link here that I will post in the description down below, and you can hear in on it. But I would not expect too much from their earnings report just because a lot of movie theaters were closed. Once all the movie theaters are open, the stock will surge, and most likely AMC will be profitable in the second or third quarter of 2021. The price targets for AMC by the end of this year is at least $30 or more. So we can still create a short squeeze just because of the massive volume. And people are still holding on to AMC. No one's selling. No one that I know is selling AMC at this point. And there's still a high short interest. So guys, if you're not in AMC, what are you guys waiting for? And if you are planning to get in, you can consider selling a cash secure put. And what that is you collect a small premium while you wait for the stock price to reach your buy price. So it's essentially setting a buy limit. If you were to pick a strike price of March 19th, and let's say you want to get in when it hits $8, you can collect $100. The only thing you need is to have the collateral, which is 100 times your strike price. The strike price is 8, so you just need $800 as collateral. So that money is put aside just in case you need to buy 100 shares at $8. And the only way you'll buy 100 shares at $8 is if AMC closes at 8 or below on expiration dates, which is 19 March. I've been selling cash secure puts as well as selling cover calls. So I do have 800 shares at $7.13. What that means is essentially setting a sell limit. So if I do 19 March and let's say I want to sell my AMC shares when it reaches $15, I can get $26 for every 100 shares I put up. So in this case, I am using my shares as collateral. I'm not trying to get rid of my shares. That's why I pick a strike price that's out of the money. I just want to be able to collect extra income so that way it reduces my cost basis. I know a lot of people are holding on to AMC, a lot of shares. So you want to be able to generate extra income with the shares that you already have, not necessarily selling them. You don't want to sell them, but we want to be able to use them to generate extra income. Those are 2 strategies that you guys can implement into your trades. But before buying any type of securities, please conduct your own due diligence. And guys, I am very bullish on AMC. I plan to buy more AMC throughout this week. This will go up this year, and it's already gone up. If we take a look at this chart here, last month it was below 650, and then we see a spike all the way to $11, and now we are just in this range of 8 and 850. So let's try to break this resistance of 850 so we can go higher. We need more buying pressure. So as long as we have the volume and buying pressure and high short interest, we can possibly have another short squeeze. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you're holding onto AMC, how many shares you're holding. Do you think there's going to be another short squeeze again? And please do consider joining the Patreon page. Thanks so much.
But New York at only 25% capacity, LA still closed. Are you going to get the big ticket items, movies?
Yes. So look, today is such a great day for AMC. Across the country, as the largest movie theater chain in the United States, about 90% of our theaters are open, but nothing is more important to us than opening in New York and Los Angeles. We're opening New York City, 13 theaters tonight, 29 theaters in New York State will be open tonight. Our theaters in New York City have been closed, as you said, for 50.5 weeks. And just to show you what it means to have pent-up demand, across the 500 plus theaters that are open this weekend for AMC, 2 of the 3 biggest theaters in the country with advanced sales are in New York City. 7 of the top 20 theaters in the country in terms of advanced ticket sales are in New York City. And we think New York is first, but we think LA is 2, 3, 4 weeks behind. What that means for us is a lot of new movie titles are coming out. I could rattle off a long list of major titles that are coming out real soon.
So let's talk about the Reddit retail trading phenomenon, Adam. I don't think we've had you on since that's happened. What was that like to watch your stock price spike as it became a meme stock, number 2 right under GameStop? And do you embrace it? Do you embrace it?
Well, look, obviously there's been significant volatility in our share price, and I'm aware of what's going on, but my focus has been on managing our business and driving the recovery of our business. What I find so appealing about this Reddit phenomenon is the affection and allegiance that Americans have across the country to AMC, to movie going, to seeing movies at theaters. You're seeing millions and millions of people rally behind saving AMC.
Do you think that was their motivation, Adam?
Oh, I don't think it's appropriate for me to comment in great detail about the Robinhood and Reddit phenomena. Suffice to say that with movies like Raya opening this weekend, Paramount's A Quiet Place 2 moving into Memorial Day weekend, Sony just bringing Peter Rabbit earlier into May, Top Gun 2 going to christen the 4th of July weekend, Universal's F9, the latest Fast and Furious installment. You know, there are so many movies that are about to break. So many studios pulled movies from 2020 and delayed them to 2021. They're finally at hand. Theaters are opening. Titles are coming. And perhaps most important of all, we've got vaccinations happening all across the United States.